Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine and in good health. This video is for class 1. In this video we are going to cover the topic of place value of tens and ones. First we are going to see how we can make an abacus to help us in the study of tens and ones. So first take a box like this. There can be any empty box like the toothpaste box or your pencils box or any other empty box, and then you are going to cover it with some paper. You can cover it with white paper or color paper or something like newspaper. Then what you have to do, you have to take two sticks like this. These are the simple sticks which you can find. They can be made from the pins or simple broomsticks, anything which is available. And then you are going to make two holes in the box, one for ones and one for tens. And then what you have to do is to collect some beads, something like that, which can be used as tens and ones. Okay, just three things: one box, two sticks, and these beads. Okay, now what we have to do, we have made the holes in the box. Now what we are going to do, we are going to stick these heels in these holes. One, okay, let's do this way. One and two. Now the one stick will be representing the ones and the second stick will be representing the tens, like this. You can write ones and tens on the box, so your child can definitely understand which strand is representing ones and which strand is representing tens. Okay, next is you have these beads. I have collected these beads from the broken tasbih. If you have any other beads, you can use them also. You can use some pearls, etc. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going to make tens. Enter some beads in the ones box. Okay, we have entered two beads in the one strands, and now enter some beads in the 10 strands. Okay, I have added 3 strands. Okay, now look at this. There are 2 beads in ones and 3 beads in tens. These 3 beads in tens represent that there are 3 tens, and 2 beads in one strand represent there are 2 ones. Now the number will become, if we make a box in our whiteboard, one box is for tens and one box is for ones. Okay, now how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to write 3 in the tens box. And how many beads are in ones? There are 2 beads in ones, so we are going to write 2 in ones box. So the number we have is 32, which means there are 3 tens and 2 ones in the box. So number which will be collected from this will be 32, and we can write 32 in number name as 32. 32. There are, in 32 there are 3 tens and 2 ones. Also we can write there are 3 tens, it means 30. 3 tens means 10 plus 10 plus 10, which will be equal to 30, and 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So this was the first method